In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your payment date on Affirm 2025, step by step. To make this simple, let's start with how Affirm sets up your schedule, because understanding that makes the rest crystal clear. If you chose a monthly installment plan, your first monthly payment is usually due 1 month after your purchase is processed. Processed is key here. Your loan can show as processing until the merchant is ready to ship, and your timeline starts from that processing date, not the moment you checked out. If a down payment was required, that amount is due right at the time of the transaction. After that, each monthly payment lands 1 month later on the same day of the month. If you selected a bi-weekly plan, your first payment may be due at the time of purchase. If no payment is required at checkout, your first installment will be due 2 weeks after the purchase is processed, and then every 2 weeks after that until the balance is paid off. In some cases, Affirm may offer short-term options like 2 installments, with the first due 15 days after processing, or a single payment due 30 days after processing. A down payment may still be required at checkout for these options depending on the offer. For the most accurate dates, always refer to the confirmation you received and your Affirm account. Those sources are your official schedule and will reflect any updates related to processing and shipping from the merchant. Now let's address the big question. Can you change your payment schedule? Affirm does not change due dates once a loan is set. The due date itself stays the same. However, there is a practical way to add flexibility. You can turn on autopay and choose an automatic payment date that works better for you. This allows you to align the withdrawal with your payday while still ensuring your payment is made on time. It's a helpful way to plan your cash flow without requesting a due date change. A few quick tips to keep everything on track. Double check your plan type in your account so you know whether you're on monthly or bi-weekly installments. Keep an eye on whether your purchase is still processing, because that affects when your first payment starts, and consider setting calendar reminders a few days before your due date, especially if you're not using autopay. If you want more details about autopay, including how it works and your options, check the information provided in the Affirm Help Center. And remember, your confirmation and your Affirm account are the final word on what you owe and when. That's it for today's walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you manage your Affirm payments with confidence.